Hello，各位小朋友早晨，我係上低二班嘅張老師。今日咧就好開心，同小朋友一齊出嚟做校園電視喎。不如你介紹下你自己叫咩名啊？你叫做
艾威啊，
係啦，你咧？你係啦，仲有我哋嘅
Steven。
係啦，好小朋友一齊報告今日嘅天氣啊！今天是2025年10月15日，星期三。小朋友今日嘅天氣係點樣啊？唔係晴天，係啦，晴天。
Sunny day. Let's sing our weather song after 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's the weather like today? Like today, like today. What's the weather like today? It is sunny. 係喎，今日咧太陽伯伯出咗嚟喎。好，我哋今日嘅校園電視時間亦都夠鐘啦喎，聽日再見。
拜拜。
拜拜。